Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to deactivate Facebook account temporarily on your iPhone. For example, if you want to get rid of the Facebook for a specific time, then how you can deactivate it temporarily on your iPhone. So for this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. First of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply click on settings, and here you have to simply go to general, and after that you have to simply look for transfer or reset iPhone, and here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to go back, and here you have to open the App Store, and in App Store you have to search for the Facebook, and in Facebook you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook, because you can simply temporarily deactivate in the latest version of the Facebook. So you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Facebook, and after that if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app, and after updating you have to simply open the Facebook app from here. So you have to simply click on profile, and here you have to simply click on settings and privacy in profile. So here you have to look for the settings. So in settings you have to click on settings and privacy, and here you have to look for the settings. So you have to click on three lines here, and here you can find the settings and privacy. So here you have to simply click on settings, and after that you have to click on account center here. So in the account center you have to click on password and security, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of deactivate. So you cannot find, so here you have to click on personal details. So in personal detail you have to click on account ownership and control. So here you have to click on deactivation or deletion, and after that you have to simply select that account you want to deactivate. So here option is available, so you want to deactivate temporarily, or if you want to deactivate permanently. So if you want a greater break, then you can simply click on permanent account, and after that within 30 days you can simply log in your account and you will be right back. But if you want to take a break for 7 days, then you can simply select or deactivate your account, and you have to click on continue. And if any kind of page is related to your account, then it will also be deleted. So here you can simply find that. So here you have to simply click on that, and after that you can simply click on continue, and after that you have to provide the correct password, and after providing the password it will ask you why you are deactivating, and after that selecting, you can simply deactivate your account temporarily. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.